PharmD graduates, are you looking to secure a permanent job and a PR visa in Ireland? You have come to the right place. Hello everyone, I am Sunidhi Shahi, your host. Welcome to Academically, the one-stop destination for global pharmacy students and graduates looking for the best career opportunities. In today's video, we will discuss how a PharmD graduate can get a job and a PR visa in Ireland. Watch this video till the end to know the complete process. Before we begin, I request you all to please subscribe to our channel so that we can continue providing you with the information and guidance that's nowhere to be found. So, in simple terms, the Pharmaceutical Society of Ireland holds 3 exams, which are your gateway to becoming a pharmacist in Ireland. This includes the Equivalence Exam, MCQ, OSCE, and the Professional Registration Exam. The best part about this process is that you don't need expertise in the Irish language or any other European language, and just proficiency in English would be enough. So let's move on to the step-by-step process involved in clearing the PSI exams and becoming a pharmacist in Ireland. Number 1. Application for verification. The first step is document verification, where you have to submit all the necessary documents such as transcripts, degree certificates, and a proof of professional experience to the Pharmaceutical Society of Ireland, PSI. Next up is PSI Equivalence Exam. So guys, the Equivalence Exam consists of MCQs and OSCEs or practical examination and is conducted remotely from your nearest test center over 2 days. Next up is adaptation internship. After passing the equivalence exam, you must complete a paid supervised internship in Ireland lasting between 6 months to 3 years. The general salary during this period ranges from €5 to €20 per hour. The duration of this internship depends upon your performance in the examination. And excellent performance can also mean that you can skip the adaptation phase. The PRI exam is the final step that showcases your readiness to practice independently as a pharmacist in Ireland. Passing this exam qualifies you to join the Irish workforce as a pharmacist. Next up is English proficiency test. You must pass an English proficiency test such as IELTS, TOEFL or OET. So these are the steps. But what next? Obtaining a work visa directly can be challenging, of course. To increase your chances of getting a visa, you can enroll in a short pharmacy course that lasts to 1 to 2 years. Some of these includes MSc in Pharmaceutical Business Management and MSc in Pharmaceutical Business and Technology. You can start this course while doing your internship to finish both simultaneously, take the final PRE exam and register as a pharmacist in Ireland. Now, let's talk about the work and visa opportunities. After completing your studies, you can apply through the Irish third level graduate scheme and stay back option. You can also apply for a critical skills employment permit. So that's all about the whole process, guys. By following these steps, you can secure a permanent job and a PR visa in Ireland as a PharmD graduate. I hope this video helped you to understand the whole process in detail. However, if you have any doubts, any queries, you can book a free 101 counseling sessions with our experts at Academically and ask all your doubts about the process. At Academically, we help global pharmacists find their calling in different countries by clearing their foreign registration examinations. We can help you clear the CAPS, SPLE, PSI, PEBC, DHA and several other pharmacy exams as well. Fill up the form given in the description to contact us today. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Sunidhi Shahi signing off.